What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? So I just thought I'd give you guys an update, maybe go through the parts that are all on the car real quick. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. I get this question a lot, so figured I'd make a short video. Alright, so first things first, running this short ram intake. Gonna get rid of this as soon as my cold air comes in from Dustin. Getting rid of this pretty soon as well. I am running his ported upper and lower manifolds. This is stage 1. I'm also running the riser. You can see it. Following that, I'm running the original grounding kit from Dustin as well. We are running lightweight pulleys, all 3 of them. I do run this catch can. It's the Amazon catch can. It's about 25 bucks. Running the engine leash. Alright, so exhaust is J2 headers, arc down pipes, arc test pipes, and a single exit ISR. So you can see it's kind of dark. I'm also running a stage 2 competition clutch and lightweight flywheel. Adding to that, I'm running the Megan Racing transmission mount, the 3.8 performance bushing shims, and rigid collars. I am also running a Ultra Racing rear anti-roll bar. Suspension setup is just a ISR, or I'm sorry, Megan Racing Street Series coilovers. Can't really see them, but they're there. I'm also running slotted and drilled rotors. Besides that, I'm running the ATQ shifter bushing kit. Car's dead. Rear and front. And the shift knob is a racing short throw. The car's also gutted. Kinda. And she's on a canned alpha speed tune by Central Texas. Shout out to Josh. Yeah, so that's basically it. Besides that, I do have a Seibon trunk the carbon one. See. It's kind of dirty, so really can't see how nice it looks. But when it's clean, it looks really nice. But yeah, that's basically it. Got a few more things on the way. A few more things to do to it. But goal is cracking 340 wheel. So we'll see if we can hit that on the retune. If not, gonna run E85. See if we can crack 340. But yeah, that's about it. It should make about 320-ish wheel horsepower as it sits. I would like to think it makes a little bit more, but I'm not 100% sure. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good one.